welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead to subscribe and turn on the notification bell below. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about my first million twist, and I'm gonna be doing a wig review. Let me now do the wig review, and I'm gonna show you hello, this Princess D. Hello, princess. So yeah, so this is my million twist, my first million twist. I've not dipped it inside hot water yet. So, and that's the back. So maybe when I dip it inside hot water, it should this time. Oh, it's so beautiful. Now no hair. So I'm gonna be on my head. Let's try it on. I don't know if this color fits me, but let's see. Ooh. Wow, this is not bad. Without closure, actually, it's not really bad. Let me just on the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry guys, I'm really sorry about the background, but let's just manage what we can use for now. Oh, the black. Show you. So yes, so I'll be dipping it inside hot water later, but for now, just going to do this. So yeah guys, that's it. So what do you guys think? This is my first million braid. Trust me, I'm a very impatient person. Like when it comes to things like this, I don't have that time to wait. But for me to have done this, trust me, anybody on this planet Earth can do it. You can do it, trust me. It took me how long, Seb? I think it took me about like 2 months or so, because I had to wait for my last hook, so my crochet hook. So yeah, so it took me time, and when I got to the middle of the way, I wanted to give up. I'm like, no, I can't do this no more. So yeah, I believe you guys can hear me. So that's it. Wow, it's not bad. That's it. You know, when you tie it at the back, it's not bad. I'm really sorry if you guys can hear this noise in the background. I am truly, sincerely sorry about that. So yeah, so that's just it, guys. And yeah. Oh yeah, I'm also doing a second wig as well, so I can show you guys the second wig, and you guys can see the difference. With this, there's different sizes on it. Trust me, you don't want to even look. You don't want to look at. So yes, this is the second wig I'm working on, and yeah, this is in black. I'll be coming back later to show you people how I twist it. So yes, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye, and stay blessed. I love you all.